From banking and finance to securities and insurance, more than 15,000 financial service organizations around the globe turn to Wolters Kluwer Financial Services for industry-leading compliance and risk management solutions. In addition to their electronic compliance solutions, Wolters Kluwer's printing facility in St. Cloud produces a variety of forms, newsletters, brochures, and other documents designed specifically for the financial industry.
Wolters Kluwer started as a offset printing company. We still have a full press room full of offset printing equipment and finishing equipment. About 3 years ago, we started doing production on digital print equipment and started building that. We continue to expand and put more products through the digital print center rather than through offset printing, and it continues to be our fastest growing part of the print business.
Wolters Kluwer currently prints about 6 million copies per month in their digital print center, primarily in black print. However, as their volume increases, so does their need to print more color documents digitally. They are transitioning more of their products to digital print and a print-on-demand model, which allows the company to reduce their inventory and save storage space.
We were looking for a way to run small quantities of color documents without having to start our offset presses. So the digital technology has come along far enough where the quality is really good, the speed is really good, you can get a quantity of one instantly. We've been able to take short run color jobs, 1,000 pages or less, and move them to the digital equipment rather than starting the offset presses. That saved us a lot of time and a lot of money.
In October of 2010, Marco installed the Konica Minolta BizHub Press C8000, an 80-page per minute digital printer with a multi-finisher that allows Wolters Kluwer to multi-fold, staple, saddle stitch, and trim documents.
With the printer that we purchased from Marco, we're able to reduce the staff it takes to run, especially the booklet work, through production. Rather than having a pressman print it, somebody on the cutter cut it, somebody else convert it into a booklet, one person's able to do all that work in one step rather than three.
Other features Tom liked about the C8000 were the ease of use for their operators, the reliability of the unit, and the overall print quality.
I was impressed with the quality of color coming out of this machine. It competes very well with some of the very high-end digital color printing machines that are on the market. We've had the printer for about a year. It has been incredibly reliable. Some of the digital printing equipment we have requires technicians to be up here every other day or every third day. We had a stretch where we didn't call Marco for service on that machine for 6 weeks. It's been an incredibly reliable machine for us. Done everything we've asked it to do.
When it came to installing and providing on-site training for the C8000 printer, Marco has a process in place to make sure the implementation went smoothly.
The first time that Marco called me and told me that our equipment was on its way to our facility, that started a process that we were very much kept in the loop of what's happening. We knew where our equipment was in the country, when it was going to be delivered. The training happened 2 days after the equipment was running. The trainer came on site, spent a couple days with our staff to make sure they understood it. And very valuable to us is the ability to pick up the phone and call the training staff and ask additional questions. I feel like with Marco we have found a partner in our digital printing process. Lots of people want to be our vendor, but it was important to us we find somebody who took our relationship more seriously than a vendor relationship. And I think with Marco we found a partner.